We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello all. In this video lecture, we'll be seeing how we can retrieve data from our database using select command. So let's get started. These are the contents of our presentation which we'll be viewing turn by turn. First, if I want to display all contents, that is all rows and all columns in my table, I'll be using select star from table name. This particular command will retrieve all the columns and all the rows. Let us check by executing the query. Select star from account. I am using the same table which I had created in the last video. There are 5 records, and on typing select star from account, it is showing me the list of all the records. Many a times I do not want to see the entire content but only some specific content. There are different options for it. Let us check them. First, for example, if I want to see particular columns and all rows, like in our table we had 3 columns: account number, balance and branch name. If I want to see only say account number and branch name, then I can use this option. So as you can see that the list of all columns is not displayed but only selected columns are displayed. If I want to see some selected rows and all columns, I can type select star from table name where condition. This particular condition will be checked in the table and only those rows satisfying the condition would be returned. And the third option is selected columns, selected rows. In that case, you specify the list of columns along with the condition. Now let us check this both options through query. Here I have selected the list of all columns where branch name equals to Nadyad. So this is an example of selecting all columns and specific rows on basis of condition. In this particular query, I have choose to display only the account number column on basis of the condition where balance is greater than 30,000. So this is a classic example of selecting specific columns and specific rows. Now let us look at the next topic, that is eliminating duplication. If table contains duplicate values, distinct keyword can remove duplicate rows from the result. Syntax: select distinct the list of columns from table name. Distinct removes duplicate rows after sorting them. Duplicate rows are removed only from the result and not the actual data. For example, first I am choosing to display only the branch name from my account. It is showing me the list of all That is, say if there are two accounts in Nadiad, then Nadiad branch name is shown twice. Two accounts in Vadodara, then Vadodara branch name is shown twice. Suppose if I want to view only distinct branch names, I can type select distinct B name from account. As you can see in the output that distinct branch names are displayed: Nadiad, Ahmedabad and Vadodara. Let us go through the next topic, that is order by clause. Rows can be described either in ascending or descending order. Syntax: select star from table name, order by the list of columns. Rows are sorted according to columns specified in order by clause. By default, order is ascending. To sort data in descending order, use keyword DESC. When multiple columns are provided and some contain same data for the column, then sorting is performed based on the data of the next column specified. As you can see, I want to see the list of branches in ascending order along with its respective data. So I have specified order by branch name. By default, the order is ascending. If I want to view the data in descending order, I need to specify the keyword DESC. Here I have arranged the data on the basis of descending order of my balance. Let us go through the next topic, that is the group by clause. Group by clause groups rows that have same value. It is used in select statement in conjunction with aggregate function to produce summary reports from the database. The query using group by is called grouped query and returns a single row for every grouped item. Syntax: select the list of columns, aggregate function along with its argument from table name, group by the list of columns. Here as you can see that there were total 5 entries in my table. There were 2 accounts in Nadiad, 2 accounts in Vadodara and 1 account in Ahmedabad. I wanted to see the total balance of entire branch. So I gave select branch name, sum, balance from account, group by B name. So now it is showing me that total balance in Nadiad branch is 37,000, Ahmedabad 50,000 and Vadodara 40,000. Many a times along with grouping we need to give some specific condition. So to restrict grouping on results produced by group by, we can use the having clause. The syntax same as that of group by with one additional keyword having and the specific condition. The having clause filters on basis of specified condition. Each column appearing in having clause must either appear in group by or aggregate function. Here as you can see that I have choose to display the branch name and the balance from account on the basis of grouping of branch name but only of the specific branch Nadiad. Here in the having clause I have choose to display those branches that have balance greater than equal to 40,000. As mentioned earlier, in having clause you can use only those columns that are either specified in a group by clause or with the aggregate function. These are the references. Thank you.